Hi guys, this is nice math problem. 5 multiply 5 divided by 5 multiply 5 is equal what? Here 5 multiply 5 gives us 25 divided by 5 multiply 5 gives us 25. 25 divided by 25 gives us 1, but it is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore, at first we have to work with this multiplication, then this division, then this multiplication. Here 5 times 5 gives us 25 divided by this 5 times 5. Now I have to work with this division. Here 25 divided by 5 gives us 5. Multiply this 5. 5 times 5 gives us 25, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.